What I wish I knew at 20 instead of 30. Avocados are life. First things first, here's what you need. 2 ripe avocados, cherry tomatoes, red onion, fresh coriander, lime, olive oil, salt and pepper. Slice your avocados in half, remove the pit and scoop them into bite-sized chunks. Toss them into a bowl. Now, halve your cherry tomatoes and add them in. For a bit of crunch, finely chop a red onion and sprinkle it over. Add a handful of fresh coriander for that vibrant kick. Squeeze over some lime juice, a drizzle of olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. Give it all a gentle mix. Not only is this salad super tasty, but avocados are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. They're great for your heart and skin. Avocados also help in weight management and are incredibly versatile. This salad is not only nutritious, but also super easy to make. Love this recipe? Subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for more deliciousness. Happy munching!